They're drenched. Holding on to broken pieces. Because God does great things with broken pieces. They put a fire, a pit. Here's Paul, he's drenched. All of a sudden, a snake comes out. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What did he just survive? A shipwreck. You know what Paul did? Paul, by the way, the enemy loves to take advantage of the moment you're exhausted. When you are physically, mentally, emotionally, relationally, financially exhausted, watch out for the vipers that will come out of the fire. I'm going to tell you what Paul did not do. Paul did not go on Instagram with the fire and go, I'm being attacked. Paul did not go on Facebook and say, look what the devil did. Will you hear me? Will you stop saying, look what the devil did, and start shouting, look what the Lord has done? Stop marketing what the enemy is doing. You know what Paul didn't do? He didn't go, this is way too much. I just survived it. God, you're not with. He did not develop a cynical worldview because of what he went through. Never questioned God. He looked at the viper. A viper. Who grabbed onto his hand. Didn't even talk to him. I said didn't talk to him. No conversation. Took the viper and shook it off. In other words, do you know who you're messing with? Do you have any idea who you just came out against? You did not attack any normal looking Jewish former Pharisee rabbi.